How to delete TikTok account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into the video. Starting off, you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. From your FY page, tap on your profile icon, which will be at the bottom. In your profile at the top in your right hand side corner, you will see a 3-line icon. You need to tap on the 3-line icon, from which you need to go to your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, under account, select manage my account. Now when you are in manage my account option, at the bottom you will see the option of delete account. Select the option of delete account. Now for the confirmation, you can go ahead and select the final option of delete account. You need to tap on delete once again. Now it will ask for your password, so enter your TikTok password for final confirmation. Your account will be deactivated for now. However, after 30 days of deactivation, your account will be deleted permanently. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and support of TikTok. And this is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.